conquers dirt, mud, and rock. It transforms from tank to missile-launching robot. 2-in-1 Air Hogs Robotrax. Batteries not included from Spin Master.
Air Hogs Robotrax. Tips and tricks. The Robotrax can drive on many different surfaces like dirt, rocks, and grass. See what terrain you'll conquer next. While in tank mode, Robotrax has an impressive turn radius and can even spin. If Robotrax lands upside down, keep pressing the transform button and it will bring itself upright. When in robot mode, Robotrax is still very balanced and can go up angled surfaces. Missiles can be shot in driving mode, crouch mode, and robot mode. And if you found your own great tips and tricks, share them in the comments. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax. Air Hogs Robotrax. Here's how to get started. First, let's get some batteries in the controller. You'll need 3 AAA batteries. Open the battery door by pressing down on the release button with a screwdriver, then insert the batteries following the plus/minus symbols. Once you're done, slide the battery door back on. To charge your Robotrax, make sure it's in the off charging position located on the side of the vehicle. Plug the USB cable into the vehicle, then plug the other end into a computer or wall adapter. The charging LED will flash green when it's charging. It takes up to 30 minutes to charge, and you'll get up to 10 minutes of drive time per charge. Once it's fully charged, the LED will be solid green, and you can remove the charging cord. You'll know the charge is low on Robotrax when the light on the controller flashes, or the lights on the Robotrax flash, or when you hear the low battery warning sound coming from the controller. Robotrax will make a beep when the battery is low. To turn the controller on, push the power button in the middle and it will light up. Next, turn the vehicle on and you'll hear Robotrax start up. Now, we're ready to drive. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax. Air Hogs Robotrax. How to transform. To transform your Robotrax, ensure it's on a flat, level surface. Then press the left trigger. It will go from drive mode to crouch mode. Then to robot mode. If it stalls or lands upside down, keep hitting the left trigger until it's fully transformed. It's important to remember Robotrax will not transform if the battery is low. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax. Air Hogs Robotrax. How to drive. Use the left stick to drive your Robotrax forward or backwards, and use the right stick to turn left or right. If you notice your Robotrax is always veering left, use the right anti-spin adjuster on the controller to level out. If it's veering right, use the left anti-spin adjuster. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax. Air Hogs Robotrax. How to launch missiles. Insert the missiles into the launchers until they click into place. Then, click the right trigger to launch them. Missiles can be shot in driving mode, crouch mode, and robot mode. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax. Air Hogs Robotrax. Care and maintenance. After playing outside, it's important to take the belts off and clear the debris. And if you notice it's driving slow or not gaining proper traction, ensure the belts are properly aligned. If you notice your Robotrax is continuously veering left, use the right anti-spin adjuster on the controller to level out. If it's veering right, use the left anti-spin adjuster. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax. Air Hogs Robotrax. Unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find 1 Robotrax, 1 controller, 6 missiles, 1 USB charging cable, and an instruction guide. And remember, the Robotrax can conquer many different terrains, but do not submerge it in water. Conquer any terrain with the Air Hogs Robotrax.
Troubadour Ratings Channel will thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts.